Hey friends, do you know how you can share files from iOS to Android without any restrictions now? Do you know why Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is going to be value for money? Do you know why Samsung is not increasing the price of their new S26 series? Also, what changes are they bringing to the battery? Watch the entire video to get all this exciting news. If you want, you can change the video's language to watch it in other languages. Apple ecosystem and connectivity with Android. I will start some exciting news about Quick Share and AirDrop. The barrier to file transfer between Android and Apple is about to break down. Quick Share will now work seamlessly with Apple's AirDrop. We will now able to transfer files from Android to Apple. Right now, this will only work on the Pixel 10 Pro and will soon arrive on Samsung devices. The surprising thing is that Apple itself didn't know about this. Google built this on its own. Because of this, the biggest wall of the Apple ecosystem has been broken. The S26 Ultra will be approximately 17 grams lighter and thinner, yet it will still host the S Pen. The entire S26 series will be thinner and lighter than the iPhone 17 series. Samsung is now using titanium in their series, which will be a significant advantage over scratch from aluminum. The S26 Ultra will be about 4 grams lighter than the S25 Ultra. The phone's edge will be created using chamfered edge, which will solve the problem of S25 Ultra's sharp edge. Performance and memory. The complete S26 lineup is using the LPDDR5X RAM, which will be about 26% faster than the previous generation, and as a result, image processing will be up to 20% faster. This faster RAM will help with low light shutter speed, smoother transition between lenses, and reduce shuttering during multitasking. Next, camera. The main camera is being upgraded from f1.7 to f1.4. The 5x zoom lens is also getting a wider aperture. This will improve low light photos and videos, better background blur, and overall image quality. It will take photos at a default resolution of 24 megapixels, just like what is seen on the iPhone. Additionally, the S26 Ultra will also support 150 megapixels. Battery. Since Apple provided a 5088 mAh battery in the 17 Pro Max, the S26 Ultra may have approximately a 5200 mAh battery, a 4% increase. Display. It will use the new M14 panel, which will offer improved efficiency and color accuracy. The display brightness remains at 2600 nits, similar to the S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max has been upgraded to 3000 nits. However, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature privacy display technology. The S26 Ultra will be limited to 12GB of RAM globally. The 16GB model will be only available in China and Korea. This time, the Galaxy S26 series is going to be value for money. Samsung has decided not to increase the price of base models. The base model of Galaxy S26 will be priced at $799. Do tell us the comments who is planning to buy one. The phones are likely to be released at the Unpacked event probably in late February or early March of 2026. However, the Galaxy S26 Edge and the Apple Air models will not be released in this time as their sales are comparatively lower. Dear, if you like the video and want to get more tech news, please encourage me with like and subscribe.